The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to look at same Gmail OTP issue. This is a very common issue if you are a single mobile device user and you have factory reset that device. So what happens is that you factory reset your device, then you come to sign in with your Gmail email and your Gmail email Google account's password, and then Google says, okay, but now we need you to verify yourself. But what happens if you haven't actually set up any verification options? You haven't given another email address. You haven't set up a phone number to receive a code to. So all that Google can do is they can send the code to the same Gmail as the one that you're trying to sign in order to try and help you. Of course, if you're trying to sign into that Gmail, you won't be able to check for a code on that Gmail because you haven't yet managed to sign in. So you'll probably have done a Google search and you'll have seen that there are a lot of people with the same issues. And the thing that I would say is that even if you have a look at the video, the help videos on the subject, don't believe everything that you see and everything that you read. There is no easy fix. Nobody can be paid to do this for you. You must try and do it yourself. And for that, I'm going to give you the link to the Google Account Help Center. That is Google's own help center, and it's the official place to try and solve your problem. So I'm going to look at the help topics here, and I would go to account recovery. And looking at the options here is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Click on that. And read through this information here. Have you forgotten your password? No. Have you forgotten the Gmail that you're trying to sign into? No. Is somebody else using your Google account? No. Can't sign in for another reason. That's the one that we want help with. So get help signing in. That's the one to click. And here it's you know your username and password, but you can't sign in. So that's the third option. Click on that. And then why is it that you can't sign in? Because you're being asked for a verification code. Click on that. And now this is where you need to pay attention. The next question is, did you set up two-step verification? Two-step verification is used in two ways at Google. Once for user setup of two-step verification. So that is if you have set up two-step verification and you have entered your phone number, another email address, and you maybe have generated 8-digit backup codes because you travel a lot. But if you haven't set that up, then please click on no. And then it says here, someone else might have access to your account. No, that's not the case. What it is that your device is factory reset. And because it's factory reset, Google thinks it's a new device. Okay, so that is why this is happening. So you now want to follow through the steps to recover your Google account or Gmail. And here you would enter the Gmail that you're trying to recover, click on next and follow the steps. If that doesn't help you, then go back a page and try these tips to complete account recovery. Now, the other thing that isn't mentioned here is, could it be that you have signed in on another device, maybe a computer at home, and you maybe have forgotten that you've done this? Try signing on that device. Maybe you're even still signed in on an app or another device and you have access to the email inbox for that Gmail. Maybe you're even forwarding from that Gmail to another email address that you do have access to, so that you can receive the code that is being sent to the same Gmail. You can also try leaving it for 168 hours, that's 7 days and not a moment sooner, and then try again. Hopefully that helps. Thank you for listening and goodbye.